India, the land of lions. Let's visit the fortress of kingdom for Asiatic lions, the Gir National Park. Lion Kingdom is spread over 1500 square kilometers, known as Gir Forest. Once upon a time, this kingdom was spread all over the Asia. Excessive poaching in mid-20th century confined this kingdom to the Gir National Park. Government policy and conservation of Gir National Park helped these big cats to grow to 523 in numbers, which were only 20 before many years. Having powerful shoulders, strong jaw, and 10 centimeter long canines, lions are one of the best elite predators. They are even capable of hunting an elephant with their hunting strategy. Adult male lion grow hair around their neck, known as mane. This mane gives them prestigious look and significant identification. Presence of longitudinally folded skin along with the belly of these big cats distinguish them from their African brotherhood. Lions are social animals. Lionesses look after their cubs and go for hunting, while male lions spend their leisure time sleeping for 18 hours a day. Male lions have responsibility to protect the territory of pride land. In exchange, they get their first right on the hunt. There is another big cat sharing the Gir National Park. This big cat is shy, is strong, with great hunting skills. The leopard. Though small in body, leopards are strong predators capable of hunting from trees. These spotted coats are called roseate as they resemble the shape of rose. They can blend themselves with spotted coats waiting in trees and pounce to hunt their prey. Even with such survival skill and might, this species is endangered.